Here in this video, we are going to see some numericals on belt drive, right? In that first one here is two pulleys are connected by the cross belt drive. The velocity ratio is given as 3, right? Velocity ratio. What is velocity ratio? It is the ratio of speed of driver pulley to the speed of driven pulley. Speed of driver pulley, I will take it as N2 divided by driven pulley as N1. He has given this as 3, which is also equal to diameter of the driven pulley divided by diameter of the driver pulley here. Driven by driver, that is the diameter. Driver by driven is the diameter. Driven by diameter is the speed. That is nothing but the velocity ratio here, right? Now the driver runs at 1000 rpm. The driver here is N1. N1 is 1000 rpm, right? And has the diameter of 120 centimeter. That means he has given D1 as 120 centimeter, which is nothing but 1.2 meter here. It is not in mm, it is in centimeter. Centimeters to meter, I need to multiply it by 10 raised to minus 2 or divided by 100, right? Now what is asked? Find the speed and diameter of the driven pulley. That is speed of driven pulley, that is N2, right? And diameter of the driven pulley, that is D2. These two we need to find out here, right? Now what is the formula we have? N2 by N1 is equals to D1 by D2. This is nothing but 3. He has given this one as 3 here, right? Now I will take only this one, that is N2 by N1 equals 3, right? That is the velocity ratio. N2 is what I need to find out, divided by 1000 is equals to 3. So I will get N2 as 3000 rpm, right? Now next one I will take as D1 by D2 is equals to 3. D1 is 1.2 divided by D2 is equals to 3. So D2 is equals to 1.2 divided by 3, right? So I will get D2 as 1.2 by 3, that is 12 by 3, 4, right? So I will get this as 0.4 meter, right? Now that is nothing but D2 is equals to 40 centimeter or 400 mm. This is what D2 is, right? Next we will go to the next problem. Now next numerical here. The question is like this: an engine shaft running at 240 rpm, right, is given. The engine shaft is running at 240 rpm, requires to drive a generator by means of a flat belt drive, right? Now what is this 240 rpm? Is this N2 or N1, right? Here he has given the engine shaft is running at 240 rpm. Engine is a device which produces the power, right? Engine is a device which produces the power. So I can consider this as a driver here, right? And also is given 240 rpm is required to drive a generator. This word will indicate whether it's a driver or a driven, right? So engine is used to drive a generator. That means this speed will be N1. N1 is what? N1 is the speed of the driver, that is 240 rpm, right? After this what he has given? By means of a flat belt drive. Pulley on the engine shaft. Engine shaft is what now? Engine shaft is 1, right? Engine shaft is 1, that is a driver here. So engine shaft has 160 centimeter, right? That is D1 is 160 centimeter is nothing but 1.6 meter, right, 160 centimeter, and the generator shaft as 60 centimeter. Generator shaft is 2, that is the driver. Generator is 2 here, that is the driven here, right, that is the driven here. So D2 is 60 centimeter, which is nothing but 0.6 meter, right. Now what is asked? Determine the speed of the generator shaft. That means he has asked to find out N2 is how much, for what? For 4 cases here. In that first case is neglecting the thickness of belt. Right. The previous form numerical we have done, N2 by N1 is D1 by D2. Right. We have one formula, that is, I'll write the general formula in this. N2 by N1 is equals to D1 plus T divided by D2 plus T into 100 minus S divided by 100. Right. Why I am writing this formula? Because we have 4 cases. In first cases we need to neglect the thickness of belt, and he has not mentioned anything about slip. Right. So T will be 0, S will be 0. In next case, when the belt thickness is 6 mm, that means he has given T thickness as 6 mm, but he has not mentioned about the slip. In third one, he has given consider the thickness 6 mm and slip as 3%, right. So as given in third case, T is also given, S is also given, and fourth case he has asked to find out the velocity of belt with thickness 6 mm, right. So I'll write for each case. In case number 1, T is 0, S is also 0 here. So I'll get N2 is what I need to find out. N2 divided by N1 is 240 RPM, 240, which is equals to D1 is 1.6 plus thickness is 0 divided by D2, here is 0.6 plus 0 into 100 minus 0 divided by 100, right. So this term becomes 1, this term will goes off, only I'll get in terms of N2 by 240 is equals to 1.6 divided by 0.6. So I'll get N2 is 640 RPM. N2 here is 640 RPM. This is for case 1. Right. In next case, he has told when thickness is 6 mm. I'll write it here only. I have the space. So second case, thickness T is equals to 6 mm. Okay. Is equals to 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Why I am writing this in meters? Because in all the case, whatever we are taking, everything is in terms of meter itself, right. So and thickness and slip is equals to 0. Now I can write this formula as N2 divided by 240 is equals to 1.6 plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 0.6 plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 100 minus 0 divided by 100, right. So only remaining will be N2 divided by 240 is equals to 1.6 plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 0.6 plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 here. So N2 will be 636.04 RPM, right. This is for case 2. This is for case 2 here. Now for the case 3, I need to consider the thickness as 6 mm and slip as 3%, right. So in the case 3, I'll take thickness T is equals to 6 mm, which is nothing but 6 into 10 raised to minus 3, and slip is equals to 3%. that is S, right. So we have that formula N2 by N1 is equals to D1 plus T divided by D2 plus T into 100 minus S divided by 100, right. Now in this, if I write N2 is what I need to find out, N1 is 240 RPM is equals to D1 is 1.6 plus thickness is 6 mm, that is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 0.6 plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 100 minus S here is 3. S here is 3 divided by 100, right. So, I will get N2 for this as 616.9 RPM. At the end, last one, he has asked to find out the speed, that is the velocity of the belt. He has asked to find out velocity of belt when thickness T is equals to 6 mm, right. That is nothing but 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So, velocity I have V is equals to pi D1 N1 divided by 60 is equals to pi D2 N2 divided by 60 here, right. But here D I cannot take directly D, I can write velocity for this is pi D1 plus T into N1 divided by 60 or pi D2 plus T into N2 divided by 60 here, right. Now, so when I substitute V, I will take any one of this, let me take the first one only, because the speed is given as 240 RPM. So, pi into D1 here is 1.6 plus T here is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 into N1 here is 240 divided by 60. So, we will get velocity as 20.18 meter per second. This is the linear velocity of belt considering the thickness as 6 mm, right. This is for third one and this is the fourth one, right. Thank you.